Very shortly we'll be leaving Anglesey. Here we go, back over Space Invader Bridge. Here we are, just on the outskirts of Caernarvon. Say again, dude. Yeah, it's nice to see a bit of blue in the sky. This looks like a nice little place, dude. Yeah, there is. Right, we've done some McDonald's filth. Oldest friend needs a vape store to get some coils, so we're going to head there. We've got a campsite booked tonight with showers and stuff. I think we both would appreciate the whole shower thing. Anyway, off we go again. We both just got a bit of a shock because we drove around the corner and yeah, what you can see coming into view now is this huge castle. So this must be the legendary Caernarfon Castle. Wow, it's alright, Whopper. Neater. That really is quite magnificent. He's been chuntering like hell about the £6 we paid to park here. Chuntering like hell, typical Yorkshireman.
I can't believe the charge is £6 for this. £6 to park. And do you know what? The daft thing is, October, £4. I mean, what's the difference? £6 just to park for an hour. It would have been better if it had been £2 for an hour and then put it up. But no. It's that bloody good, right? Even he's thinking it's great. He's got his hands up in the air going, yeah, we're getting charged, they're getting charged for it.
There's one BFC, and there's another BFC. So there's that little building there, and then over there, on top of those greeny grey buildings, it looks like there's a church bell, or a pulley system or something, I don't know. Statue of a flappy thing. 1282, that slab.
Is it?
I don't know, but that thing on top definitely isn't 1282. But that slate, that could be 1282.
Actually, that's a few billion years old
No,
now.
no, it was made quicker than that. Welsh beer. I couldn't pronounce it, I just know that this one's one of those purple moose ones. An oldest friend is one from Porthnigale. I think I pronounced that right because that's what the barman said. Interesting thing about this place, it's got a really big butt plug outside. So we've just had beer at the Black Boy Inn. Let's go find a geocache. We're getting closer to the cache. Some nice bits of the castle to see on the way. Yeah, it's September. Quaint little street. Alright, no joy with that one. Oldest friend has lost the will to live.
Nita's got greyer.
So we're going to have a look. There's one near the castle where we've parked. We'll have a look, see if we can find that one.
Is there? Right.
He's really enjoying this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've just been having another look around the castle, doing a bit of geocaching. I found it. Found it. Oldest friend is just time-lapsing this yacht. It's a bit blustery and grey at the moment. Heading over to the campsite soon. I still can't get over how damn big this castle is. We were talking to a chap earlier who said it's one of the biggest of its kind, still in good health, you know, structural health. Okay, we've got a little problem here. Just got back to the cars, and oldest friend's car won't start.
So apparently this is, I've just spoke to my friend Pete, he said it's a common issue.
We're back on the road!
We're back on the road.
Alright, we're back on the road. Oldest friend's car's going again, thankfully. We think we know what the issue is, so it can be fixed again, if it goes again. And we're heading down to Aberdaron, which is where we've got a campsite based in that area for tonight. Oldest friends forced me to come here. I hate Tesco's. I'm not buying out.
It's only because you ruined my 2-second video that I spent about 10 minutes doing.
The good news is, even though we stopped at Tesco, oldest friend's car has started. Ready when you are, I'll follow you out. Are you setting up your camera or something?
Door latch has come off.
One thing after another. We've got about 30 miles to go to our destination, and I am wondering if we're going to end up getting some good views and scenery through these mountains as we go. This is starting to look impressive now. I think we're going to end up driving through the middle of these. This is looking cool, dude. I'm glad we're getting to drive through the middle of these.
Yes, exactly. I was just thinking exactly the same thing.
Oh, we've got a high climb coming up. I wonder how high we're going to end up going. This could be fun. Look at that, there's one of those mountains. Whee! We're still climbing. This is awesome. Hey, that's opened up nicely, hasn't it? Wow. Camera, the dash cam won't do this justice, but it looks spectacular. This bit's a little bit like being in the Lake District with high-sided hedgerows and so on, so you can't see what's coming. You know how I'm always honest with you about my little goofs?
I actually just said car then without pressing the...
Fool.
The worst part of that is I didn't even have it in the end.
Funny thing is, what I was just going to say there on the camera was one of the daft things I've done. You know how I'm always honest with you about my goofs and gaffs. Well, instead of talking on the remote control one time, I picked up my e-cig and pressed the fire button on that and started talking. Oops. I did have a good laugh to myself, as you might imagine. Got a proper tight squeezer here. There we go. 9 miles to the destination. Google reckons 22 minutes. I think we can pretty much say with all certainty it's going to be this type of road for the rest of the trip. And now we're doing a very steep drop into this very quaint little village. Ooh, a little bit of faster road, we'll take that. That's opened up there to a nice view of the coast, and we're back in high hedgerow country. This bit's very windy. Right, so we've got to this campsite. We've decided we're just going to pitch us somewhere a little bit different, but it's a nice area. It's going to be really quiet here tonight. Great views, good facilities. Over there on the right hand side there's a toilet and shower block, and for both of us that's a bit of a blessing. I mean, don't get me wrong, we've done alright with the whole baby wipe thing, and I would have still quite happily gone on for the rest of the week, but yeah, still nice to get a proper shower. I'm just going to reverse in here, and as I reverse, just check out that view. Yeah, this'll do. Set a tarp up just so we've got a bit of a sheltered spot. I've got my poof and my little chair. Here's has got his big luxury chair, and this is our view. Not too shabby, huh? Look at the size of that mother. Here we go, more than just a cleaner's top tips. That's just collapsed. But just use my paddle here with a clip.
No.
It's alright, still cooking.
No, it was burning the plastic.
Oh.
What was that?
Oh, sorry, it's just the paddle's falling again. Alright, more than just a cleaner tip. Top tip. Maybe this will work, maybe it won't. But just to create a bit of extra support for the tarp, using the paddle and some clips in this strong wind. If they pop off, yeah, move the beer out of the way. Let's see if it lasts. Right, so that's kind of melted down nicely now to make some kind of coconut milk stuff. Let's get some of this chicken in there. Actually, no. Obviously, this is all very experimental. Oh! Well, that didn't go very well, did it? So tonight's speciality is kind of like a Thai green thing.
Have you got your catapult? We've got rabbits.
And it's very good. Thai green curry and rice. Nice. It's been quite a nice evening actually. We've just relaxed and chilled out. And it's been quite nice not having to search for somewhere to sleep. So yeah, it's been quite relaxed, as I say. But it's time to sleep. See you in the morning. All right, we're up and about. We've been clearing up the little camp area we had. Shortly, we're heading over there to the washing and shower area. Quite looking forward to a change of clothes and stuff like that, and a good shower. And before we set off today, we've got 2 days left. It's Wednesday today, so we've got Wednesday, Thursday, coming home Friday at some point. I do need to sort out the footwell of the car. It's become a bit of a dump, and I kind of need to have a you don't need to worry about this because this is just stuff that I've put on my bed, but I kind of need to sort out this area a little bit as well. I'll just give you a quick tour of this site that we were on last night because it was really nice, really good spot to pitch on. And yeah, it was only 12 quid a night. So there's this picnic area there. There's a cafe there, which is closed because it's out of season. You've got this little field here, and then there's another field just behind it where those tracks lead through. Then you've got this main field here, which is huge, absolutely enormous. In here, you've got these nice facilities for washing your pots and so on. There's fridge and freezer as well. Down this side, you've got the gents WCs with 2 showers. These take 50p pieces, all nice and clean, as you can see. There's a good sized accessible toilet. Look at that, nice, eh? Then in the ladies, same again, it basically mirrors the gents. Light hasn't come on for some reason, there we go. With 2 showers that take those 50p's. Yeah, really nice little site this. Cracking views, and the chap that owns it, really nice bloke. We'll be leaving him a 5-star review for this site. We're giving ourselves a bit of a treat today. We're using the little washing facilities at the site to cook a bit of breakfast before we head out. Woohoo! Filthy sandwich. Right after that smashing breakfast, the chap whose site this is told us that there's a really good view from the top of the hill, so we're going to go and have a look. Just looking around me, actually, I can tell already he's right. Can already tell it's amazing up here because you're just surrounded. We're right on the peninsula. That island out there, this is going to be windy, it's blustery up here. Wow, look at that. See, there's 2 little islands there. Get my bearings. So that's the west coast of Wales on that side. Oh, blustery. Then going out here. Wow. So Ireland is over there. It proper skews with your bearings in here. There's a lighthouse on the island over there. This is amazing, isn't it?
This is absolutely...
Yeah, epic is a bloody good word. Oh, wow. Blustery winds coming in from the north. But yeah, that's spectacular. Yeah, this was definitely worth the drive up. Whew. And it blows the cobwebs out too. Just had a nice chat with a lovely local farmer who has sheep in this area, and watching the air ambulance come down further in the distance. Oh, but let's get back in the car. It's bracing out there, bracing, I tell you. You won't believe this, the list, our planned list, just blew out of his car over the hill and he's managed to get it. Both nearly lost things in that wind then. My towel blew out. The wind, thankfully Haynes was able to grab it. But yeah, this is some spectacular scenery on this the end of this peninsula of Wales.